Hey there, locked out of your Facebook account with no access to your email or phone number? You're not alone. And don't worry, 𝐓𝐡𝐞𝐫𝐚 get it back. But wait, don't skip to the end. Because the last method we'll show you is hands down the most powerful. It involves professional white hat hackers like us who guarantee 100% recovery, without you wasting time on all the steps that ** usually * fail. And here's the kicker. The first 10 people to drop a comment below get free professional help from our expert team. So, yeah, you * definitely * want to stick around for that. Just send us a message using the website link in the video description. We're ready to help right now. Alright, let's get into it. You'll want to try these in order. But again, remember, if nothing works, we've got your back. Method 1. Try the forgot password option. Without phone, email, Facebook *. Sometimes * lets you verify your identity using trusted devices or recent logins. Tip: try logging in from a device you've used before. Method 2. Use trusted contacts. If you had trusted contacts set up, Facebook can send a recovery code to them to help verify your identity. Go to the login page, click Forgot Password. Then follow the Reveal My Trusted Contacts option. Method 3. Upload an ID to Facebook. Yes, you can submit a ** photo of your government-issued ID ** to prove you're the real owner. Facebook has a secure form for this, and they typically respond in 24-48 hours. Still locked out? Tried everything and nothing's working *? That's where ** we ** come in. Our ** professional white hat hackers ** use advanced recovery tools to ** get your account back. Guaranteed ***, no *emails, no phone numbers, just ** results ***. We've recovered hundreds of accounts, fast and legally. And remember, the ** first 10 people ** to comment below will get ** free assistance * from our team. Hit that link in the description, send us a message, and we'll take care of the rest. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit ** like ***, subscribe ***, and drop that comment for your free shot at professional recovery help. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next one. Host waves goodbye.